In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Brave Private Web Browser. By the end, you'll confidently open a private window in Brave, optionally use a private window with Tor, and close the window to end the session. First, we'll open a private window. A private window lets you browse without saving your history, cookies, or site data after you close it, which helps keep your session separate from your regular browsing. Open Brave Browser. On your screen, launch the Brave app so you're on the main browser window. Click Menu, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of Brave. This opens the main browser menu. Select New Private Window. Click it once, and a new window opens labeled as Private. You'll typically see a distinct design and a short explanation that this window won't save your browsing history after it's closed. From here, you can search, sign in, or browse as usual, knowing that the data from this session won't be stored once you exit. Shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. You can use this keyboard shortcut anytime. Brave is open to quickly create another private window without going through the menu. If you press it now, you'll see a fresh private window appear. Use private window with Tor optional. If you want your traffic to route through the Tor network for added network-level privacy, you can switch to Brave's private window with Tor. This is optional and is useful when you need an extra layer beyond a standard private session. Click Menu, again using the three-line icon in the top right of Brave. Make sure you're clicking in the main Brave window or the current private window. Select New Private Window with Tor. A new window opens indicating that Tor is enabled. You'll notice a different header and information panel confirming that your connection goes through the Tor network. Pages may take longer to load because Tor routes your traffic through multiple relays, which is normal. Browse normally. In the address bar, type a website or search term and press Enter. You can navigate, sign in where needed, and use the web as usual within this Tor-enabled private window, understanding that this session is isolated and designed not to keep your local browsing history once closed. Close window to end session. When you're done, click the X in the top corner of each private or Tor window you opened. Closing the window ends the session and clears the private browsing data from that session. If you opened multiple private or Tor windows, close each one to fully end those sessions. That's it. Your Brave private web browser session is set. You've opened a private window, optionally used a private window with Tor, and closed the window to complete the session successfully. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.